We get it. This year has not been easy. Unprecedented, to say the least. We've lost, we've learned, but now it's time to win. Here at Chatbot, we want to help you and yours win the holidays. So we've coupled artificial intelligence with the power of the internet to bring you a system to help spread a little holiday cheer. At the end of the day, we could all use a little extra cash. Get back to the person that shared this video with you and ask for their link to get started today. In the middle of a pandemic, in the face of uncertainty, we all could use a little holiday cheer. Give the gift of opportunity and win the holidays with Chatbot. Let's win the holidays together. We'll see you on the inside.